We're at number 15 Kings Lynn. Right here you can see this is the MSD main. We went through the 6-inch clean out here that was previously put in once before. Come through here, this is 6-inch clay pipe. Right here is the beginning of the repair, schedule 40 PVC. Make our way back. Transitions back over to 6-inch clay. Right here's the T. We're going to go ahead and go inside the house here, up toward the house. Right here you see this is the repair that was done once before, coming from our clean out, transition over to 6-inch clay. And right here is the transition 4-inch cast iron going into the basement of the house. This is number 15 Kings Lynn. Sewer repair and camera inspection.